We're going here.
You going
I going there instead.
with that person. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my Sailboats R Us.
So,
You sail and I'll boat. Speaking of rain,
no, look,
you see off there,
look how I got this. Oh,
spooky.
don't say that. It's
Okay, rule number one, people, do not stand on your sailboat. But as you guys can see, there's rain in Jersey. And I think that's a piece of dock over there. Watch the waves caress over it. It's awesome. There, I'm out of your way. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Here with a friend. She's gonna fall in the water, and I'm gonna laugh.
Who? Huh?
No, the one over there, in the red,
In the red.
in the front,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
second to the front.
Yeah, I don't.
All right, forward. Well, I don't know about here,
No, we're going to the red.
but the beaches have a strong rip current, so they can suck you in. Trying to see if this has any rip currents. I want to go sailboating. Looks fun. Here comes the ferry. Here comes the ferry. Yeah. So uploads today will basically be this.